Every challenge begins like this. And I solve it, one face at a time. Welcome to my portfolio homepage. At the center, you'll find a theme toggle. Click on my profile picture to switch between light and dark modes. On the top right corner, there's another Rubik's Cube. Click it to jump between sections. Here is my About section. Next is the Project section. While these projects are just the beginning, don't worry, I'm actively working on more advanced and exciting ones. Stay tuned. Then comes the Tech Stack, a visual overview of the technologies I work with, from front-end frameworks to back-end tools and developer utilities. Finally, in the Get in Touch section, whether you want to follow my journey, explore my work, or just say hello, I'd love to connect. My previous video got 521 likes, and if this one gets even more, I'll release a full tutorial showing exactly how I built this portfolio site from scratch. So if you found this interesting or helpful, don't forget to hit that like button.